Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council is here. It's summer, it's grilling time. Dad's Day is coming up.
It's coming up. I've got steaks. We talked burgers last month. May is National Burger Month, so we better talk steaks this month, right?
For Father's Day?
Exactly, yeah.
So what do you have?
Got some of Dad's favorites. I've got, well, my recipe calls for T-bones, but I got porterhouses for
even
us. Even better. But we're gonna start with fillets. So I've got some little tenderloin fillets. They're not very thick. They're only like an inch thick, but then they're butterflied and they're choice. I wrapped them with a little butcher's twine just to keep their shape, but I grilled these just with a little salt and pepper. And then we have a recipe for a blue cheese topping.
Oh,
so crumbled
combo.
Blue cheese, a little bit of plain yogurt, and a little bit of cream cheese, kind of to make it more of a sauce versus just a crumbly. And then a little minced onion, and then some ground white pepper, or I didn't even splurge on white pepper. I just used black pepper. You can see it, but
Whatever.
it's okay. But yeah, so if you like blue cheese, it's a super easy
I love
topping.
blue cheese.
I do
A
too.
little asparagus on the grill.
So we're gonna go heavy then on the blue cheese. But yeah, make this topping up ahead, pop it in the fridge, and just keep it. And of course, you know, you don't have to use that on fillets. You can use it on any steak.
Sure. All right.
So, second recipe, I have kind of a homemade barbecue sauce. I started just with a nice steak sauce, and then added in garlic, cumin, and chili powder. And then that's it. And then this is and then I rub that on the steaks kind of as I grill them, but I start them out about 5 minutes before I add the sauce, because with the steak sauce, it could flare up. There's probably some sugar in that.
And the difference between a T-bone and a porterhouse is the size of the fillet.
Yeah, so your porterhouse T-bone steaks are 2 steaks in one. So you got your strip steak or your top loin on the larger side, and then that smaller side is the tenderloin. So if it's wider than 1.25 inches, it's technically a porterhouse.
so they can charge a little more.
They can charge a little more. So when so if you see me at the grocery store looking for T-bones, I'm digging through the whole case, right? That's my secret.
Okay, grill up a little corn.
So grill some corn with it. We got the recipe for that on the website if you like. Grill it in the husks, pull the silks out first. Now, I took this barbecue sauce, or steak sauce, and I added butter to it, and then melted the butter and heated it up on the grill, so it's more like a chili flavored butter.
Oh.
And then that goes on the corn.
It complements it well.
Yeah, so kind of fun.
Something
A
different.
little spicy, a little different, but not very hard to do, not many ingredients. So if you're cooking for Dad, you want to grill him a nice meal, go to beeftips.com, click right on As Seen on TV. We've got these recipes, plus some other ones I thought were perfect steak recipes for Father's Day.
Absolutely.
And of course, any grilling tips, you know, your thermometer tips, your temperatures, it's all right there too. So head to the website.
A long grilling season coming up.
I feel like it's gonna be good.
All right, thanks, Ange.
You're welcome.
That's good.